Hi everyone, welcome to Watch Glamps. Today's video is about easy and trending eye makeup for beginners. Applying a primer before starting your eye makeup will help it last longer and prevent it from creasing. Invest in a good quality eyeshadow palette and use the right brushes because using the right brushes will make a huge difference in how your eyeshadow applies. Experiment with different eyeshadow techniques and don't forget to blend because blending is the key to achieving a seamless and professional looking eyeshadow application. Applying an eyeliner with the eyeshadow helps define the shape of the eyes, making them appear more prominent and expressive. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and try something new. Remember, the more you practice and experiment with different eye makeup looks, the better you will become at applying eyeshadow and creating trendy looks. Don't be afraid to try new things and have fun with your makeup.